Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I will show you how you can make your battery at good health. Guys, if you want to make your iPhone battery at good health, you want to save your battery at good health, there are some few tips that you will be know in this video, and applying these tips you will be able to save your battery at good health. So if your iPhone is battery draining is very fast, then it is very useful for you. So here is the video. Just first of all open your setting and scroll down. Here is an option general. Simply click on general and scroll down. Here is an option background app refresh. Click on that. Background app refresh. Click. Wi-Fi and cellular data is ticked, but it should not be ticked, and click on off. Just put it off and back, all the way back. Scroll down. Here's an option accessibility. Simply click on accessibility. Option display and text size. Click on that. Scroll down. Auto brightness must should be on, and as you can see it is on. It is good for your battery health. It should be on and back. Go back. Scroll down. Here is an option App Store. Click on App Store and app updates. It is on. It should not be on. Just put it off. So back, scroll, and here is privacy and security. So click on that. Privacy and security. Location service is on. It should not be on, and just put it off. Turn off. Back, click on tracking. Second number, allow apps to request to track, and it is on. It should not be on. Just put it off. Back, back, and here is an option battery. Just click on battery. Click on battery health and charging. Click on that, and here is an optimized battery charging, and it is off. It should not be off, guys. Just put it on. After putting it on, just go back, and here is an option low power mode. Just simply put it on and go back. Scroll scroll, and here is an option display and brightness. Click on that and just put it on dark mode. Putting it on dark mode may cause of good battery health, saving good battery health. So these were the tips. By using these tips you will be able to save your battery at good health level. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, please leave a like and comment in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.